And that was nice of you.
There was no problem. You good?
Oh yeah, I'm just texting my friend. She was just texting me.
Nah, it was no problem. I had seen you had left it on the table, and I was trying to get your attention, but you kept walking, so you probably didn't hear me. So that's why I was bringing it over here.
So what you came out here for?
I mean, I would bring your ID. I would want somebody to bring me mine, and I'm on break anyway, so it makes sense.
Well, I'm grown. What else you came out here for?
All I'm wondering is, why is he still there talking to her? She left her ID inside of there. He saw it and was thoughtful enough to go and bring it back to her. But then she has an attitude the whole time. And then she says, boy, what you really came out here for? And he's still standing there talking to her?
I mean, obviously that, and it's obvious, that you're pretty. So I was trying to talk to you, see if I can get to know you a little bit.
I want to get to know you. So what else you do outside this little job?
Damn, little job, man. It's a job, man. Not a little job. I mean, but I'm a bartender, so that's what I do. I mean, I'm working on a business, also,
But you working on the business?
Yeah, I'm working on a business.
You working on a business, or you trying to get in my business?
I mean, I'm working on the business. I mean, we actually make good money. Like, I get the bills paid, I have spending, but like, it's, don't let the title like fool you.
Brother, why are you sitting there explaining all this to her? She already expressed that she is not interested. So if she continues to talk to you at this point, it's only going to be because she see that you're a simp and that you're willing to put money on her. Even if you get her number after this, it's going to go downhill from here. It's already starting at this rocky point. The woman in this video sounds like she's from Louisiana. A guy who's working as a bartender is trying to talk to her. Supposedly she has a lot of kids and multiple baby daddies. She got a lot of backlash from this video, and she even made a follow-up video. We're gonna get into that. But first, take a second to make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Click that notification bell for all updates. Also, if you're new, include new subscriber in your comment below, and I'm gonna try my best to get back to all of you. We're going to get into her response to this, but let's get back into this video right here.
Like, we make some good money here,
So what you drive?
I drive a vehicle. What you mean what I drive?
A vehicle? What kind of vehicle?
I drive a Monte Carlo. I got a 2013 Monte Carlo.
What year we in?
It's a 2013, I said.
What year we in now?
2021. What that?
2021.
I mean, it's a car. It give me from A to B. It's a whip.
Right. So where you stay?
I stay in the east. I got a house in the east. I got a 2-bedroom in the east.
A 2-bedroom.
Yeah, 2-bedroom. What you want me to have, a mansion or something?
No, I'm just wondering what the rest of it. What is the rest of the house?
It's a 2-bedroom. It's not like it's 30 people stay with me. I mean, it's a nice. I don't stay with nobody. I don't worry about nobody else coming in and out the house. It's mine. I'm independent. Like, what's the problem? I got a house, got a car, got a job. What's the problem? Why you got me feel like I'm filling out an application or something?
I'm interviewing you. I ain't got time to waste. There's other people trying to fill the same position.
So you like a bidding war or something?
That's where we at. So.
I mean, I'm just trying to get to know you. Like,
so you got children? I want you to know. I want to get to know you.
Yeah, I got one.
You one?
Yeah.
A whole child?
What you mean a whole? What the hell?
Oh, I don't. That's one too many. That's one way too many.
You don't do men with kids or something?
Absolutely not.
Oh, all right. So you don't have kids? I see that.
Oh no, I got 5.
You got 5 kids?
Yeah, I got 5.
5. So yeah, kids blessings, but I don't understand how you got 5 and you talking, I mean,
because I got enough for the both of us. I don't need somebody to have a job.
Right. I mean, I really just trying to, I'm just trying to get to know you, whatever. Like,
matter of fact, it's not gonna work. I figured it out. Nope, it's not gonna work. Nope.
What you mean?
No, it's not gonna work.
I'm talking to you like a.
I know, but it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
You done disrespected me the whole time I've been at the car. All I did was come at you, respectfully,
It's not gonna work. You got you got cheering everything.
But you got 5. You got a whole basketball roster.
And I get all 5 of my mother starts to whoop your mother. Don't play with me. Don't play that with your butt. Get a better job. Bum. You ain't even got no real J's on, bum.
Yes, he was respectful to her the whole time, but he should have respectfully walked away after the first 5 seconds. Why? Well, at the end, she revealed the type of person that she was. But with the right discernment, you could have identified that she was a gutter snipe from the get-go. All this attitude, the way she was cutting him off. Nothing about him is good enough. His car, his house, his job, nothing, his shoes. She's supposedly perfect though, with 5 kids, mind you. And then she says she'll put her sons on a grown man. This lady is very toxic. We have to do some simp intervention and some simp prevention to stop men from putting themselves in this situation and giving these low vibrational women attention in the first place. She's one of these Section 8 baby mamas, and she got the nerve to be talking down on somebody. That's because she has a bunch of simps lined up, willing to give her attention. So this is where that ego comes from. For a lot of people, you can tell a lot about them within the first couple of seconds. You don't even have to waste time taking them on dates and whining and dining them. You also don't have to embarrass yourself like this guy did, sticking around for a couple of minutes. Why? We already knew this case was closed in the first couple of seconds. But that video got a lot of attention around the internet, and then she came back to defend herself. Here she is again.
So I'm really trying to understand, like, why do everybody got so many opinions on things that don't have nothing to do with them? I had no idea that this was going to go viral at all. I posted this just on the strength of trying to embarrass him and make yourself look good. You wanted to make it seem like somebody was trying to come after you. Somebody wanted you. But it did not go the way that you wanted it to go. People have an opinion because you put it out there. No, it's no one's business, but you made it everybody's business when you decided to record the interaction. And then you decided to post it online for attention. A nigga trying to come at me that didn't meet the qualifications it took to come at me. Like, why is everybody got an opinion, and why is everybody such relationship therapists and everybody just such a specialist now? Y'all even attacked my churn, like saying I got 5 different baby daddies. First of all, I got 4. Don't believe. Stop lying me. I got 4 different baby daddies, and all 4 of my baby daddies is really there for my kids. They take care of their churn.
She's saying that somebody didn't qualify to talk to her. The truth is, she's not qualified to talk to anybody but her 4 baby daddies. When you meet a woman with 5 kids, she is unqualified. The only people she should be talking to are the men who put those babies in her. Nobody else.
I got 4 different baby daddies, and all 4 of my baby daddies is really there for my kids. They take care of their churn, and they take care of me. So I'm trying to figure out why y'all got anything to say about my baby daddies, period, or my churn, period. I'm a good mama. I take care of all my churn. They do too. Anyway, I'm just trying to figure out why y'all even expected me to be with a nigga that work as a bartender. A bartender that stay in a 2-bedroom house.
I cannot get over how this professional baby mama is really up here trying to look down on somebody. A 5-time professional baby mama. She's a vet in the game.
Where we supposed to go at? Where me and my children supposed to sleep? I got big boys, not little boys. Where we supposed to sleep at? How we supposed to sit down and be comfortable?
That's the job of your baby daddies, ma'am. And that's why you should not be dating. If anybody is approaching you to do anything, you should tell them off rip, you have 5 kids. You're not qualified to date anybody. And then that should be enough to turn any sensible guy away.
Furthermore, you drive a 2013 Monte Carlo. We in 2021. 2013, 2021. And the car in English. Like, I speak Audi. I speak Porsche. Hell, I even speak BMW. But Monte Carlo, no, I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Those are my qualifications of dating. Like, if you even come at me, like, I can't entertain nobody. I can't entertain no. At the end of the day, I can't entertain no bum. I do ballers, not bums. Ballers, period. Know your history. Like y'all, why would I with 5 children even entertain somebody who worked as a bartender in real life? Like, it wasn't a joke. It was serious. Like, he was really serious. And he had on fake J's. Boy, please, out my face. Period. Back up.
It's so interesting that nowadays, women who come from the bottom, they expect to live extravagant lifestyles. Where is this coming from? Let's go ahead and get the conversation started below in the comments. Why do we have so many average women that come from average families and even below average? Some that come from poverty, even those still there. Why are they expecting these 1%er lifestyles or even 5% or 10%er lifestyles? Where is all of this coming from? Shout out to Sun New, Dark Power, and Trey Shell. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support as well. You can find the links to Cash App and PayPal below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like and share.